Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how you can record the screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages you will find the screen recording toggle. Let's see how long it takes me to find mine. Oh, there we go, it's right over here on the second page. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up a window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. You can tap on a drop down and choose between device, microphone, or both. If using both, I would recommend using something like headphones. Otherwise, you might end up with having some kind of like echo effect on the recording. And then below that we have show touches on the screen, which records a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was touching the display. I'll enable this just so you can see how that looks like. Anyway, from there we're going to select start. This begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. So whatever I'll do right now should be recorded. There is a bit of a limitation to it, so some of the applications might be blocked by the screen recorder, though I don't think there's any that come pre-installed with this device. So let's just open up something like Google Play Store. Oh, I guess I don't have internet. So once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications and then tap on stop. And this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application right over here. And to find the recording, you will need to navigate right here to Library. And then find... Let's see if it's in screenshots. Nope. So it looks like it's going to be stored in an album called Movies, which you can see right over here. And there it is. Unfortunately, it will be stored most likely with also camera recordings and any kind of videos that your phone has, as I think it all clumps it up into the movies as long as it's a video. But there we go. There is the screen recording. You can also see the areas where my finger was touching, which should be visible somewhere here. I guess it was too quick. There we go. So yeah. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.